Alright guys, today we are settling the ultimate FPU debate, analog versus digital. Not the specs or pixels, but what you actually feel when you fly. One is raw and old school, the other is cinematic and clean. We are gonna see which one truly fits your flying style. So let's start with the video quality. Analog gives you that raw gritty feed, low clarity, some breakups here and there, but it works on very low latency. It is instant, you feel every move. Digital on the other hand is a different world. Clean, HD, crisp colors, everything looks like a movie. But yeah, you do get slightly higher latency. Nothing crazy though. Basically, analog feels fast. Digital looks perfect. When it comes to range, analog's like that old reliable friend. It just keeps going even when signal is noisy. But you still get something. Digital though, it's flawless. Until boom, it just drops. It's either perfect or gone. Both have the charm though. Analog fades, digital disappears. Now, let's talk about the part that hurts. The cost. Analog setups are way cheaper. You can mix and match gear, go DIY, and fix stuff yourself. Digital, yeah, it's plug and play and looks super pro. But your wallet might cry a little. Still, you get that clean image and easy setup. So depends what you value more. And finally, the feed. Analog gives you that raw instant connection. Every flips, every dives, pure adrenaline. Digital feels more cinematic, smooth motion, crystal clear view, almost like watching your own movie. So yeah, analog is raw, digital is art. Simple as that. So if you're into freestyle, tight gaps, fast reaction, analog still rocks. But if you love that cinematic shots or that HD clarity, digital is your best friend. Honestly, both are amazing. It's not about which is better. It's about which fits your flying style. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me down in comments, analog or digital, which side are you on?